Forge your own household gravity inverter, Model 3.2, unlicensed edition. The gravity inverter is a device designed for personal directional independence. Early versions were trialed in the late 1970s by a research group that officially never existed, and unofficially left a very noticeable spherical dent in the roof of the old Rutherford facility. This updated model is stable enough for careful enthusiasts with access to common materials. Before proceeding, remember that a gravity inverter interacts directly with local space-time curvature. Small misalignments may cause mild ceiling impacts or, on rare occasions, unexpected sideways falling. Preparation is key. Step 1. Acquire a mass differential core. The core regulates the local gravitational gradient. Many users assemble their own due to its simple construction. You will need a bowling ball, a strong household magnet, enough electrical tape to raise questions, a desk fan. Tape the magnet to the bowling ball. Continue wrapping until the ball is no longer identifiable as sporting equipment. Once secured, place the ball in front of the desk fan and run the fan at maximum speed for 6 minutes. The motion imprint helps align the internal fields. You are now the caretaker of a freshly prepared mass differential core. Step 2. Construct the containment frame. This frame ensures that the core does not drift or attempt to re-roll itself into a closet. Materials: steel rods, 4 zip ties, a plastic laundry basket. Invert the laundry basket, attach the rods to each corner with zip ties, and set the structure on a flat surface. The basket shape is used because of its resonance properties, which were first identified in the aftermath of the Rutherford incident. The rods stabilize the geometry for the following steps. Step 3. Install the field reorientation circuit. The circuit adjusts the direction of personal gravity flow. It does not need to be elegant, only reactive. You will need a calculator, 2 copper wires, a half-broken light switch. Patience with mathematics. Attach the copper wires to both sides of the calculator, then bind the wires to the broken light switch. When toggled, the switch will cause the calculator's display to flicker. This flicker is essential. It indicates the circuit is ready to accept orientation commands. Mount the circuit on top of the laundry basket frame using any remaining zip ties. Step 4. Prime the resonance chamber. To prime the device, place the mass differential core gently into the basket. Stand at least 2 steps back. Hum a steady tone for 30 seconds. The humming is not functional, but historically, all successful recorded activations included it. Theoretical papers refer to this as acoustic consistency bias, though no consensus exists. After the hum, flip the light switch. The core should begin a slow, deliberate rotation. Step 5. Activate the gravity inverter. Once rotation is stable, lift the entire frame and hold it at chest height. The device will emit a soft static sound. If the static becomes rhythmic, the inversion sequence has begun. Indicators of functional inversion: dust particles drifting in a direction unsupported by common intuition, a faint sensation of upward leaning, local objects attempting brief, exploratory hovering. When these effects stabilize, the gravity inverter is active. Feel free to test by releasing a small object, such as a pencil, and observing its trajectory. Successful devices tend to send objects gently upward at first before they adjust. Step 6. Shutdown and storage. Deactivate by toggling the light switch twice in quick succession. The core will settle, and gravity should return to conventional directionality. For storage, place the entire device in a room you do not visit often. Some inverters retain a slow residual influence, which can lead to chairs, socks, and loose paperwork redistributing themselves subtly over time. The gravity inverter remains one of the more approachable pieces of unlicensed physics equipment, and continues to be a favorite among enthusiasts of experimental spatial behavior. Future refinements may address the sideways fall issue observed in rare cases, though the underlying cause remains an open topic of discussion among those who claim to know. New avenues of exploration open naturally from here, especially once one considers what might be built from multiple inverters working in synchronized opposition.